If you want to unblock a phone number or a contact on CMF Phone 2 Pro, this is what we need to do. So first of all, we're going to open the phone app. Over here, we can start by going to contacts. If you have a contact that is blocked and you want to unblock it, we can select the contact over here, scroll down, and you should be able to find unblock numbers option, and then confirm your choice by pressing unblock. And there we go. The other option, or the other way that allows you to unblock a phone number, is by going to recent. So if you blocked a phone number that tried to call you, or you had a call with that number and you blocked it over here, then you can also unblock it as well by doing the same thing as you do for blocking. So you can just press and hold your finger on the call, and then you should be able to find the option to unblock the phone number. In my case, it is missing because, well, this is a voicemail, so I cannot block or unblock it. And the third way to unblock a phone number is by going to these three dots over here in the top right corner. Then we can go to settings, and after that we have blocked numbers, and here you should be able to find the list of all numbers that are blocked. So we can tap on this X on the right side in order to unblock the selected phone number. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!